So once you've registered for the annual meeting and you've logged in and created your profile, you will want to take a peek at the agenda. And you'll find on the agenda page that there is information on each day, and you'll see that there are times where we'll all be together in the main plenary, and there are times when there are concurrent sessions. So, for example, on Monday in the afternoon, we break into Hall A and Hall B. And to get the details on Hall A and Hall B, you can click on these tabs. If you'd like to add these scheduled sessions to your calendar, you can simply click on the calendar icon here and add it to your Outlook. It will download something, and you can simply click and it will add the event to your calendar.